Lucy, trying to go look for fairies? Yeah! Oh my goodness! What's this? It says Bright Fairy Friends. It's lighting up. There must be a fairy inside. Lucy, look what I found! What? It's a fairy jar! I want to find one too! Yeah, come on, let's go look for more! Yeah! Lucy, do you see anything? A tail! Whoa, it's a fairy jar! Here! There we go! Hey, now we both have one! Yeah! Let's try to find another one for Bella! Thank you, Bright Fairy Friends and Funrise Toys, for sending these to us for free. Let's go home and open these with Bella. Yeah. Hey, Bella, today we went walking in the forest and we found 3 fairies and we got them for you.
Thanks, guys. I love fairies. And look, these are Bright Fairy Friends. These are fairies that live in these magical jars, and then when you open them up, you get to have your own fairy.
Yeah. And these super cool jars, they light up and can be used as a night light.
It's also your fairy's home.
What? Down here they to light up.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look!
It's so magical.
Oh, and it says their wings light up too.
Yeah. Let's get them open. Whoa!
Look!
Look, you can see the top of their head.
So we have the list. Look how pretty she is. Look at her long red hair.
Look at the one I got.
Oh, she's so pretty too. Which one did you get, Lulu?
I got each one.
That's so pretty.
She's
Take
so
her out.
cool.
Oh my goodness. Look at how magical she looks.
Whoa.
And they have these little flower cheeks. And look at their outfits. They look like flowers.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the one I got.
Ooh.
She has this long ponytail. And here's the button. Here's the button that you press to make their wings glow. Look at their wings.
You can see on the back. Okay, let's see mine. Oh, look at it. It's lighting up rainbow. That's so pretty.
Yeah. Whoa. Let's see what
Can you
else
see
is
yours,
in
Lulu?
here. There's blind bags.
Look at hers wings. They're pretty yellow.
Look at mine.
Yours is so pretty, Lucy. It has bright pink hair. And here we have a little heart on the side of her face. Look at her makeup, Lulu.
Whoa.
And her wings are a really pretty yellow color.
Look at the checklist.
Look at all the fairies to collect.
And there's even some on the back.
Ooh, they're so pretty.
Look, there's blind bags. There's another. Open them.
See what's inside. I got a BFF, Best Fairy Friends hair clip that you can have, and it breaks in half and it comes back together. See? Goes like this. And you can have little clips.
I got a flower brush.
Is it home?
And
Okay, let's see what you got, Lulu.
I got a badminton twill.
A BFF heart.
And here, elephant.
Look what I got, guys. Look, it's a magic fairy dust in a bottle.
Look at it. I got fairy dust too.
It's blue, sparkly.
Look at the one I got. Let's see what I got. I got it too.
yours is like rainbow colored too, Lulu. And I got this magic flower fairy brush for her hair.
Well, I got a bright yellow bunch. Let's check out which ones we have. So Bella has Sophie, I have Lily, and Lucy has Rosie.
Those are such pretty names.
I really like this fairy dust. Okay, look, I put a BFF clip in her hair.
Let's put one in Eva's hair too. Look, now you guys are BFFs. There are 12 dolls collect, and look at this beautiful stand. It's like a magical plant.
Look at my wings, they're like angel wings.
And on the bodices of your doll, they have a little flower design in white. Mine is a really pretty flower. Which one did you get, Eva?
I got a vine with like roses on them.
Ooh, that's pretty. Lulu, which one did you get? You have a really full, it's like a rose. Perfect for Rosie.
Mm-hmm.
Did you do something in her hair? Look at the BFF clips. Oh, they're right next to each other. That's perfect.
I can't wait to use this as a nightlight tonight.
That's such a good idea, and it's not wasting any packaging.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bright.
Ma'am, please get back to your spot.
Thank you, Bright Fairy Friends and Fun Drive, so much for sending us these beautiful fairies. We absolutely love them.
They're so pretty.
Thank you for sending them to us for free.
Make sure to watch Bright Fairy Friends on YouTube. Their channel is amazing. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you guys later.
Bright Fairy Friends.